Okay, this is super straightforward. The whole idea here is that the smallest side is across from the smallest angle. So, which is the smallest side? In number 17, it is 9. So 9 is going to be across from the smallest angle B. There you go. What about 23? List the sides from shortest to longest. Well, what's the smallest angle? 33 degrees. So that must be across from the shortest side. So we have LK is the shortest side. And then we have, what's the next biggest? The next biggest is 71. That's going to be across from the next biggest angle, or next biggest side rather. So JL is next. And then what's last? Well, 76 is the biggest angle, so it's going to be across from the biggest side. Sorry, I want to use colors that match it. Across from the biggest side. So JK is going to be the biggest side. Done.